So say this is Jim from Santee Dodge. This is the 2020 Wrangler Rubicon. Already has the 4-inch lift, wheels and tires, all done by us, by Mopar. So it is covered under warranty. This is the Rubicon trim, all full leather, all just ready for summertime. You'll notice, nice little power top, just ready for summertime. Need to come see us. This is a Jeep that won't last. It's got a nice little pickup, nice view from the inside. You need to come see it. This is a Jeep that you absolutely have to see and believe. Just now getting ready for summertime, springtime first. Come on out. This Jeep's waiting for you.